So how do you take care of your grinder to make sure that it has a longer lifespan, make sure that it's going to last a long time? To me, this really boils down to pretty standard, regular maintenance. For example, on a daily basis, take the coffee out of the grinder at the end of the day, put that into a airtight container to store overnight. After taking the coffee out, I would make sure and try to clear the coffee chamber as much as possible. This is easiest done with a vacuum. I usually also tend to try to vacuum out anything in the chute as much as you can. These have been designed for easy access to the burr chamber. You don't have to change your grind setting. You don't have to unscrew the whole threading or anything like that anymore, where you can just simply remove that block and get in there. Now, on a weekly basis or as often as you can, I would recommend doing a slightly deeper clean. So like we say, we've taken the coffee beans out, and instead of just vacuuming out the chamber, this is when you can really clean up some of the oils that are kind of stuck in there. The longer those oils sit in the burr set, the more they tend to build up, the more they can do that just affects flavor. Also could maybe potentially increase some wear on your burrs. In addition to that, you can then also take out your GFC, which is the grind flow control, and clean that up a bit as well. So if you've got a guard, you just sort of take that out. These are just made to be able to take out, clean up really quickly, get everything out of there, make sure it's nice and clear, clean up that little chute, and then you can just pop it back in really super easily.